Guys, welcome to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending online. Right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all. Right. Right, sir. And check it what we completed in the last session. In the last class, I think so. We have started about like which one here that setups. Then for our application development. So what exactly the setups here we required? That setups already we started. Okay, fine. Right, sir. So what we required here as of now, codeopen.io. Just I explained. I think so. I explained this codepen.io, not codeopen, codepen.io. That website and it's a requirement I given. I think so. Right. Just its main thing is which one here. Just to prepare. If you want to check up the code instantly. If you want to check a code instantly, we have to go for like which one can know and codepen.io. Right. So just if you click on this start coding, automatically here what we are able to get there, we are able to get our browser. That means that executable code browser here we are getting. Where by default here this is HTML area and this is CSS area, this is JavaScript area, and this is the location where to display all the content. But if you don't like this view, just we can click on it. I like to use this view majorly. I want to use this view, so it will be perfect to write and to code. So now again, yeah, this is like which one HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. At the time we can do all of them. Right, sir. Now, whenever we start coding here, then automatically this area is becoming as which one browser. Right, so now let me check this here already. I shown, I think it's already I given some few points about it. No, H1 here I prepared. In H1, just we are able to provide like which one Durga Software Solutions. Durga Software Solutions here we are able to get H1. That we are able to provide, then we are able to see that content actually. Right, sir. Here we can increase the font size also depending on our requirement. Right, sir. Now here we are able to get like which one Durga Software Solutions H1. Now here, then at a time here HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code also here we are able to provide. But anyway, just HTML code here I provided here Durga Software Solutions output here we are getting there. Good, that's okay, fine. Next one is like which one here, then after that, after completion of this particular part here. Now I want to provide some JavaScript code. So just I will go for like which one here, right? H1. Now inside this, just I want to go for like which one here, color colon. Right? We can use that semicolon. We can use this. So automatically it will be saved and we are able to get this particular thing. Now okay, up to this H1, just I want to provide like which one here, background color. Background color. Here we are able to provide. Just I want to provide the background color is like which one you know. Say for example, I want to provide something else like which one here. Just light blue, something else here I want to provide up to this background color. So background color here we are getting up to that, just we are able to have some content clear. Not only that, so here we can go for any kind of HTML tag and any type of CSS here and any type of JavaScript that we can do. So if we don't like this CSS and all this, JavaScript, I don't like it, just minimize. Now we can expand it. So here we are able to see that clearly. Right, so this is a way to use like which one here, codepen.io. Instantly, if you want to check the code, we can go for it. So introductory classes, I'm going to do with this only, with this codepen.io. Introductory classes, like which one, small. Say for example, I want to discuss about paragraphs and I want to discuss about headings. like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. All these things I want to discuss there. Where simple code I want to provide through this, and where I'm able to show that points exactly. But before that, I'm giving one more point to you. We can write our HTML code in any editor, in any IDE, and we can open it through the browser. There we are able to get some output. There we are able to get some output through browser. We are able to get it. But instantly, if you want to check the code, this platform is very good. This platform is very good if you want to check that instant code. Right. So this is what exactly the situation and scenario here I am telling to you. Clearly, we can understand it clearly. Right, sir. Good. After that, right, sir. Leave this one now. After completion of this point here, then control minus if we type there, automatically the font size will be reduced. Control plus the font size will be increased here now. That depends on our requirement, what we want to have there clearly. Right, sir. We can go for some settings. We can provide some titles, and we can save this also in the cloud. The total automatically that thing is going to be saved clearly. Right, sir. Anyway, not required to save every time. Not required to keep that. Not required to sign in operations also there. Just we can go for like which one can know. Randomly we want to check the code. That's why I want to use this. This is one of the things here we can understand it. Right, sir. Then after completion of this particular thing, what I require to set up next one. Second thing is what I want to do there. Atom. Atom is the editor. Basically, it is which one there? Editor. Editor are more than editor. That's it, but it is not IDE. Execution process is not available with this. Execution process is available with which one? No, IDEs mainly. So we can think of it as more than editor, but less than IDE. But very good platform to prepare our applications. No, maximum up to this HTML and CSS coding I'm going to do with which one there? No, this is Atom. Atom is providing very good look and feel, and we are able to see that Atom effectively. No? Right. So now let me check this how to install it and how to download this. Just I want to show that Atom here. My system already Atom was installed. Here we can see that. Now just let me uninstall it. If you want to uninstall the components, just we have to go for like which one here and control panel. Let me open control panel. And control panel programs and features part is available. Right, sir. Here Atom is available. Just right click on it and uninstall it. Let me uninstall it. Right, sir. It is managed by GitHub actually. GitHub. This is Atom is managed by GitHub, but initially Atom. Anyway, some details also I'm able to show there. All right, so now let it uninstall it. Once it is uninstalled, then we are able to check it. Right, so it is going on uninstallation. It has already been uninstalled. Okay, fine. That was uninstalled. Now here in my system, that Atom is not available. I can see I'm unable to see that Atom desktop icon here. We are unable to see that. No, we are not seeing that desktop icon. Previously, we have seen that somewhere else now, but it is not visible for us anyway. Right, sir. Good. Now, right, sir. So just observe this clearly. Then after that, after completion of this, I want to go for like which one here. I want to download Atom. I want to download Atom. So okay, just what I will go there. Google.com, just Google it. So here we are having a website. What about this website actually? Just Atom download. Right. Let me take it. So atom.io is existed here. Atom.io is a website there. Atom.io is existed. Just open it, right click on it and a new tab. If you open it, now here we are able to see that Atom, like a website here we are able to get. Once you are getting that website there, we can download it. We are able to download this. Once you are getting that one, you are able to download this. Right, sir. Now this is Atom main website. We can understand it now. Atom, then which version is available here? The latest version is which one? 1.45.0. 1.45.0. This is the latest version of this atom. Just Windows for 60-bit Windows 7 or later. For 60-bit Windows 7 or later. Guys, all of you are seeing my screen clearly. All of you are observing this screen clearly. Is it okay? All of you are getting it? No response, guys. Right. Now here, if I click on this download, what I am able to get here now? For 64-bit Windows 7 or later, that we are able to get. So by default, I'm getting this Windows. Why? Because my operating system is Windows 64, but of course Windows 10. So that's why here we are getting directly Windows related download option. Say for example, if my operating system is Mac operating system, then directly here I'm able to get which one? Mac for 64 something else here I'm able to get. Understand my point here? Like this here I'm able to get different depending on my operating system. I'm able to get the download option here. Right, sir. Next one is after completion of this particular point here. After completion of this particular point here, another thing is like which one here? I have to click on this download button. If you click on this download button, automatically it will start it. Right, sir. It is going to be start setup. Already 2 times I already downloaded. It's a matter of like which one, 179 MB, 179 MB. Then not to take much risk here. Already the database is available with me. I want to use, guys, and can I install that available atom? Can I install it? But actually, it may not take much time here. But I think so. My internet connection may be poor connection today. Right, sir. I don't want to put the time for this. Then can I install available existed Atom software there? Can I install it? No response, guys. Now, can I use that existed one? I don't want to allow this to download it. Why? Because it may take hours and hours of time. It's not possible for us. Yes, now just I want to use this. We know already how to download it. Just open this one and here we are able to get it. Just we can download this. This is Atom. Atom we can download it. Right. So then after that, after completion of this, yes, I want to cancel it, not record for me. Right. Yes, I want to close this one also. Right, sir. Some information anyway about this one. All these things are not required. Just already I have my own. I have already the software for it. E drive, software's new, and UI. Then where Atom is available. So the same setup file I have there clear. Atom setup iPhone X64. That's it. This installation process is very simple. No need to have much about this. This installation setup and installation process is very simple. We can understand it clearly now. Right, sir. Just I'm going to double click on it. That's it. Not more than that. I'm going to double click on it. All right. And before this, let me check it. Any folder is existed in our C drive or not with Atom. I'll check this one. Do you have any folder like which one? Atom here? No, not existed. Now under C drive, I want to install it anyway. Directly, sir. Now I'll go for like which one here? I'll go for like which one here? Directly E drive. Inside this E drive, software is new. UI. Now inside this, we are having this setup file. Let me double click on it. If I double click on it, automatically it will start that installation process directly. Able to show one image to us, then it shows that clearly installation process actually. Right, so that's it. This is like which one, Atom is being installed. It will launch once it is done. So once this installation process is completed, then it able to launch. Right, sir. Then why I'm using this Atom? There are two reasons. One reason is it provides very good environment. That look and feel is very good to prepare HTML code and all, and it is possible to use all real-time tools to design these websites or web applications. Observe this. This is one reason, and another reason is like which one? Another reason is like which one there? Its look and feel is very simple. It's very good. Look and feel is very good. That is another one. Definitely you like very much once you start to use this, and its themes might be and its total process might be, it will be very good. That's it. Almost all completing. It is not giving any further steps. Directly it will install it in its location. That's it. That's it. But one icon will be created on our desktop. Previously, icon is not existed here. Alright, sir. Now, previously, no icon is created on our desktop there. Once this process is completed, there we are able to see that icon. Definitely, we are able to see that once this installation process is completed. Right. It may not take much time here. It may be within less time it able to complete it. Wait for this. It's going on now, almost all. Right. Now here, icon is created. Previously, this icon is not existed. Now it was created. Okay, guys. That's it. Then automatically it will launch. Yeah, it is. It is going to be open for me. Right, sir. Already I had some work I have done over this item. Just wait a minute of time. Then a few examples I am doing that. As part of my practice, I'm doing some examples there, and I'm trying to create my own website actually. Yes, by using this item. See, understand this, how much it is look and feel here, how it is available, color quotations and all. If you observe this, control plus if we type there, automatically its font size will be increased there. Just we can understand it, how much it is going on there clearly now. Right, sir. Actually, in parallel to your course, I want to prepare my own website actually. Now, already I'm doing work on it actually. Right, sir. And next one is what I am telling here. This is my code. And if you want to see my code minimum, just I'm able to show some example to you. And open browser and let me paste the total URL. Just we can see that example. Right, guys. Now this is my site, and still it is an under construction. This is the wall page, the main page here. What I'm going to provide there. Still, it's not in like which one here much. So I'm doing work on it. Still, it is not completed. Going on something else. Some work is remaining. Once if I complete it, then I'm able to show perfectly. Fevicon, right? All the things I'm doing some setups anyway. Just once it is completed, then I will start it. Right. Okay, good. That's fine. Then just I'm working on it almost just I think yesterday, day before yesterday, I have a plan, and yesterday onwards, yesterday I started coding for this. So a little bit is completed there. Once it is completed, then I'm able to show that. That's right, sir. That's fine anyway. Just once it is completed, then I will give this as a project work to you actually. Then I'm preparing this parallelly. Once if I complete this, and this I want to give as a project work, is an assignment to all of you. Right, sir. Right, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not getting what you're asking there. Right, sir. Show my picture. Why, sir? What is the requirement to show my picture to you? This is my personal website, right? Then, if you like it, then we can prepare your one. Default setting. Yeah, we can go for it. That's the default settings. That's fine. Not required to go for any other one. Default settings are okay, fine. Yeah, we can use that. Right, guys. This is my word pick. Don't expect as it is something like this. Okay. Right. Anyway, just this is just a showcase. I'm doing maybe within few days of time I will do that. And then once if I complete this, and meanwhile you may complete a little bit part of HTML and CSS. No, just purely on the basis of HTML and CSS. In the future, I will apply JavaScript also, but as of now, HTML, just purely HTML and CSS. On the basis of that, and just I'm doing that. That's it. Anyway, just leave this one. All right, sir. Now, Atom, just we installed it. Just we installed this Atom, and just we opened that Atom. Even if you want to open this Atom, then what we have to do there, guys? Just if I close this here on our desktop, we are getting like which one here Atom icon. We are getting here. Just double click on this Atom icon. Automatically, it will be open for us. Once it is open, then we can start running it. We can start doing our work. All right, sir. Now, first of all, here welcome guide we are able to get, and welcome page we are able to get. Both the pages here we are able to get. Just we can close them, and just we can start our work. Whatever the work here we are doing there, just we can start our work. Now, how to start our code? I will show that point also clearly. How to start our code? Now, after this clearly, our location is like which one here? I want to prepare some workspace also there. First of all, after installation of your Atom, here we need to start like which one they know workspace. We need to prepare some workspace here. What exactly the workspace here we have to provide? Just I want to show that clearly. All of you observe this now. Say for example, D drive here we have to use D drive. Then once we are getting this D drive, next we have to go for like which one? Our location is which one there? Django at the rate 3 p.m. That is existed here. Now here, just I want to go for like which one here? I'll prepare a folder. This folder is for the sake of like which one can know web development. Web development. This is my folder name, web development. Right, sir. Inside this web development, just I want to go for like which one here? Applications I want to prepare. This is a folder for my web development, web applications development. Just I want to prepare some other folder. Project here I want to prepare. Just this is my workspace where I want to prepare number of projects. That's my requirement now. Right, sir. Already I had some few projects there. Just let me like delete these projects here, not required. Later I will open them. Root directory Atom can't be removed. Okay, so I want to remove it. So it's going to be removed. Also be leave it, no problem. All right, sir. Now, meanwhile, just what I want to there, I want to prepare a file. That means, like which one here? Something I disabled, sir. Previously, it is not visible here. Here we have to get it. Say, okay, fine. I require to get something else. But leave this one. Okay, anyway, just I want to show something to you. Full screen, sir. I am getting this total full screen. Yes. This is full screen, what we are having there. All right. Now, in the this is like which one get locations. Actually, in the previous setups, I disabled this menu. Actually, dashboard I disabled it. Here we are able to get the dashboard actually. Maybe I forgot how to open it, but here we are able to get the dashboard, Appen and Atom or file or something else. All the things here we are able to get, but I disabled some of them previously. The same settings here I am getting actually. That's the problem here. Anyway, sir. Now here, this what I want to do there. I want to go for like which one here? Add project folder. Just I want to create a project folder. Right. Just observe this clearly. I want to create a project folder. Add a project folder. Right, sir. Now already I created a folder. What about this folder here? Say for example, and we have already D drive on this PC. So okay, fine. Here D drive. Insert this D drive. Django at the rate 3 p.m. that I specified. This is my Django and 3 p.m. that I want to say. Okay, no problem. Just 1 minute. Django 3 p.m. that I want to say folder, project folder for me. Right. And just I want to go for it again. I want to change it. not like this. So I will go for DJNG project folder. Add a project. Not this one. Now this I want to select. That's it. This is my web development. Yes, this is my Exert Thinker project folder, not this one. It is not deleting here. No problem. Here I'm having like which one here, web development. I added this one. Now inside this web development, I want to prepare a file. So right click on this web development and a new file here I want to take. What about this new file here? We can understand it. Here we have to enter the file name. So under this web development, I want to add the file. That file name should be like which one here? Index.job. Say first of all, in web development, I want to provide a folder also, not a file. Folder I want to prepare in web development. Just I want to go for like which one new folder. Inside this, what I want to provide this new folder under this web development. Just I want to specify like which one here. My sample apps. Just I want to say something else. My sample apps folder here I want to create. Inside this web development here we are getting like which one? My sample apps. Guys, observe this clearly. Right, sir. My sample apps here I am doing this work. Observe this clearly. On this, right click on it and a new file I want to create here. I need to provide a file. What about this file name here I want to provide there? First of all, I want to create like which one here, no? My sample apps here I created there. Now inside this, just I want to go for like which one? Index.html. I want to prepare this. Index.html. Observe this clearly now. So whenever we prepare this, now automatically here we are getting that index.html. So in my sample apps, index.html here I prepared. Or else maybe right click on it, I can rename it anyway. And rename, what is that name here I want to provide? Just my sample app that I want to provide there anyway. Right, sir. It's like which one here? My sample rename. Right, rename is not performed. My sample app. Right, sir. My sample app here we are getting there. Inside this index.html here we are getting. That's okay, fine. Now here we can write our code actually. So what is that code here we want to provide? There is a simple code I want to provide. See, understand it, how much environment it is providing here. So whenever I open this index.html, whenever we open this index.html, automatically I want to get like which one here? HTML boilerplate code I want to get. That basic HTML structure I want to get. So to get this basic HTML structure, no need to think much about it. Simply we can type like which one here? HTML. Guys, observe this clearly. Simply type HTML and click on enter button. That's finished. Simple type HTML and click on enter button. Automatically here we are able to get like which one you know the total HTML basic structure here we are able to get inside this atom. So these are the advantages of this atom here. We can understand it now. So at the panel here, what we are getting, you know, at the tab we are getting a simple dot. We are getting blue color dot. We are getting it represents it is unsaved HTML file. It is unsaved HTML file. So click on Control S. Control S. Automatically this document will be saved. Control S is a shortcut for declaring like which one no document here. Just we have to understand clearly what exactly the point I'm telling to you now. Right, sir. That's okay. Good. After getting this part here, then what about the next one now? All of you observe this clearly. What about this next one here? Now just for sample code I want to provide there. Now inside this, just I want to take like which one here? H1 tag I want to provide. Now inside this H1 tag, just I want to provide like which one? And Durga Software Solutions. Durga Software Solutions here I provide H1. Control S. When you click on this Control S here, what I am telling to you, now I want to execute this. To execute this, just we have to open the browser and we have to go for like which one here, the remaining content here we are able to provide there. Right, sir. Right. Next one is like which one here. Then whenever we are getting this, just I will open that browser there. In the browser, just I will open it. And before that, an atom here, what I am telling to you, this file here I want to run. I want to run this file on my browser. So multiple ways are available. One of the option is like which one here? Just right click on this file. There copy full path. Copy full path option is available. Just copy full path and open the browser. Whatever the browser here we are going to do, open the browser. We are paste it. where pasted. Just observe my location there. So Django 3 p.m. web development, my sample app and index.html. Click on it. So here we are getting like which one there? Durga Software Solutions here we are getting directly. Like this here. This is what exactly the process, what I am going to do for our projects. So what exactly the work process I am going to do there. This is what exactly the content here I am telling to you. Clearly understand these points now. Good, sir. But for our development point of view, guys, all of you observe this clearly. For our development point of view, after installation of this, like what I'm telling you, after the installation of this Atom, some packages here I have to install in my system. Some packages, Atom is providing some packages to me. That packages I have to install in my system and to get the simplified development environment for me. Some color quotations maybe, and like which one here. Then after this color quotations, and to keep all the tags in a particular order maybe, some different packages are required as of now immediately. So after installation of this, once if we go for these packages, no, automatically our IDE is providing very good look and feel and very good environment for us here, for development purpose here. Guys, just I'm going to list out all these. I'm going to list out all these things now. Just we can observe this clearly. First of all, what I require the packages. Atom packages, observe this clearly. What are the various packages we require? I will show to you how to provide these packages also. First one is like which one here? Atom hyphen beautify. Right, sir. Beautify. This is one package that we require. Next one is the second one is like which one here? Atom hyphen tange. This is one thing here we required here. Next one is after completion of this, another thing is like which one here? Auto close HTML. This is another one. Auto close HTML that we required. Fourth one is like which one here? Here we required like which one here? Emmet is required. This is another package. Next one is like which one here? CSS lint is required. Right, sir. This is like which one here? CSS lint. This is what we required here. And other thing is like which one here? Pigments. Another one is required here. Pigments. And next one is like which one here? Language EJS. So these 7 packages we have to install, guys, and this is standard process here. So all these effect we are going to see in the future. All that effect we are going to see in the future. For example, I want to show what is the advantage of all these things. For example, if we go for like which one here, and my Atom and my web development and where and my site. If I go there I want to show this clearly. Just I want to open this index now. This is a file here what I am getting there. See, observe this clearly now. Say for example, if I provide like which one here, that code is not in a proper format here. So this is available in a zigzag format here. It is available there. It is not in a properly ordered in its own order. It is available here now. Observe this clearly now. So here what I will do here, whenever it is available like this, or just I want to beautify this. Right click on it, beautify file. Beautify file. If you do that, automatically the total file will be beautified. Just observe this effect now. That in order, the total order we provide in different order, but here we are getting like in which one? No, complete order here. We are getting the total thing in which one? Order. So now here right click on it and just we can call like which one here. Right click on it, beautify file. Automatically after a second of time, the total file is going to be beautified. This is one thing. And the second one is like which one? Just if we open the CSS now, I'll open the CSS. Just we can observe this clearly. Inside this CSS, what I'm providing there. Another thing here I'm telling you, just try to observe this clearly. For example, here this is like which one here? Color. This is a hash code for a particular color. So when I type this color hash code, I want to see here directly the color directly. I want to see that color directly. Its color here I want to see. For example, just what I want to provide here now. I will give one example there. See, this is somewhat white background. This is somewhat like which one and this cyan kind of color, some color here now. For example, I want to go for like which one here in place of this. I want to go for like which one red. I want to use for example. Just after when we save this one, after a minute of time, automatically here what happened there now? Here we are getting the red color. That means whatever the name we provided there, its name related color here we are getting directly. This is like which one or red we are getting there. So if you want to get this, then definitely we require some pre-defined packages to give this type of effects for us. To get this type of effects for us, we want to go for like which one, you know, we want to go for like which one, you know, this particular one. That means that color quotations and all these packages we require. Not only that, when we save our file, when we save our CS file, here what we are able to get here, when we save our CS file at the bottom, here we are able to get like which one, CSS lint report. After this, if any error is available in CS file, at the bottom here we are able to get the total error messages here. See, the bottom is empty or middle, something is width is 100, something else here. So we are able to get like which one, you know, all these things expected column at the line 34 and the column 8 message we are getting. But of course, we are getting this is in a bit slower, bit lower font here. But in our personal use, we are able to see effectively this kind of thing, you know, at the line number 34 and the column 8. Line number 34. Line number 34, something else, colon is required. But here what I provided, sir, equal I provided there. So colon is required here. So that's it. Now this type of error messages here we are able to get anyway. All of you understand this clearly now. This type of errors here we are able to get here. So that's why here just finally here we are getting like which one? No errors were found. Like this here we are getting some message here. So why we are getting these special effects actually? All these effects we are getting because of installing that packages only. Right, sir? Right, sir. So now here just we need to install these packages now. But here the question is how we are able to install these packages. That's my question. How it is possible to install these things here? That is my question here now. Right, sir. If you want to go for it, just I will give some examples to you how to install this. First of all, if you want to install these packages here, first of all we have to go for like which one, you know, file. Okay, fine. We are not getting it. Yes, sir. Right. File here we have to go there. Then we need to go for like which one, settings. Where we are able to see the settings now. Actually, I missed this total parts. Guys, I'm giving that approach here. Anyway, I installed all of them. Here I need to get this particular part. How to do it? Right, so here I want to go for this. And not like this. Wait, 1 minute. Yes. Right, so yeah, that's fine. Here we are getting it. Yeah, I forgot it. Right, so now here what I am telling you, just we can go for like which one here, file. Then inside this file here, what we have to go there and settings. Go for settings. Now here we are having directly install button, guys. Observe this clearly now. Here we are getting like which one there, no, install. Install option is available. So just we can click on this install here directly. We are able to get the packages and all. Click on install. If you click on this install here, if you click on install part here, right, sir. Right. If you click on install, now here we have to search for the package. Which package we require here? Just we have to search for the package. So now initially I specified one package there. Now let me specify this one. Atom-Beautify. This I want to provide there. After this clear, you know. Already I installed, sir. In my this one it is already existed here. Now whenever we are getting this one Atom-Beautify, like this here we are getting there. See here we are able to get like this type of install option we are able to get. Already I installed it. That's why I'm not getting that. But if you do that, here we are able to get like package. This kind of install, that kind of thing is available. No, just click on this one. If you click on this, automatically that Beautify, like which one here icon, that Beautify package will be installed. Whenever we install that Beautify part there, automatically we are able to get the beautification. Observe this clearly. Say for example, if I prepare this index.html, it is not in a particular order here. If you provide this one directly, I said you already there. Like this here, if you provide this one, here what we are able to get here inside this one, right sir. So now here what I'm telling, the packages part is available. Click on this packages, and now Atom Beautify option is available there. We can go for like which one, Beautify. That's it. It's a minute of time. It is a second of minute of time. The total page will be beautified. Beautify in the sense which one, properly order. That is one thing here I'm telling you. Right. So this is one thing here. What we required here. Next, open this settings page. No, in the settings page, okay, when Atom Beautify, just we can install it. That's okay, good. Then after that, then other thing is like which one here. What I required there, the other one, no. I want to go for like which one, Atom 10s. Atom 10s. Just we require this. Purpose of which each and every one just we are able to get in the future, sir. Now at present here just we can use that. We can install it. As per my says, just we can install it. When we type it automatically, here we are able to get like which one can know this Atom-10. We are able to get it. This one also be installed in my system here. That's why I'm not getting any install option. But you will get install option. Just click on it. Within a minute of time, that package will be installed. This is one thing what we require. Then what about the next one here? Similarly, no. Auto close HTML. Auto close HTML here we are able to get. Right, sir. This one also here we have to provide. Just whenever we provide in a search bar, automatically here we are able to get it. Auto close HTML. See, observe this clearly. The second one here we are getting there. Auto close HTML. Automates closing of HTML tags. Now it is getting there. Now here directly here we can click on like which one here now. Like install button. Here it is available, install, but in my system is not available. Why? Because already I installed it. Right. So now this is like which one package that we have to install anyway. Next one is after completion of this auto close HTML, and what we required here now, image here we required. All right, sir. Just we can type it. Then whenever we are typed in the search bar there, automatically it will be internally. It will be like which one, search for it. Just wait a minute of time. Now here we are getting that very first one is like which one, image. Image is available. Then here already I installed it. That's why we are not getting that anyway. Observe this clearly now. After completion of this, what I am telling to you, then I want to go for this next one. Next one is like which one here, and CSS lint. CSS lint in the sense for error reporting. Error reporting purpose here we are able to use that CSS lint. Just we can type it. So whenever we provided this, automatically it will be provided there. It will provide late. All right, sir. Just wait a minute of time. Now here we are getting like which one, CSS lint here we are getting there. Already installed it, so it is not possible here. All right. Next one is like which one here, pigments, that we are able to provide. Pigments is another one. Right, sir. Now here I want to go for it. Pigments. Right. Now it's available already. I installed it. You can check this. Last one. Language EJS. So all these are just providing some good environment for us to prepare these websites and all these things. These are the tools. Definitely we have to use these real-time tools to prepare our websites, maybe our web applications in easily. So just a set of tools here. Anyway, already I'm using all these things. So here we have to use this. This is one thing here we are able to provide clearly. Understand this now. Sir, if you're getting clarity or not? This is one thing. So we need to provide this. This is one option here. Almost all the things here we completed here. So once we completed all of them, right, sir. Once we completed all of them, then we are able to get it clearly. That's okay, good. And apart from this, what I required, one more setting here. Now I want to check what are the various packages which are already installed in my system here, in my thing now. I want to check it. Just click on these packages there, and click on these packages now. If you observe this, click on these packages now. Automatically, all the packages here what we installed in our system that we are able to have. That means not only that, which packages are available here in our system, and all these by default some packages will come along with the default packages. Then explicitly we install some packages now. That packages also we completed here. Now just we can understand it clearly. Auto Beautify, Atom-10 and Auto Close HTML, CSS lint, and what next one, image, essential tool for web development, and error reports for CSS lint is giving some description also there. Auto completes closing of HTML tags, and JavaScript code intelligent for Atom. Say some packages are useful for which one, JavaScript also. Atom Beautify HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, Java, and all the things here. Next one is like which one? Okay, fine. Now image, and the next one is like which one? Easier support for Atom pigment, a package to display colors in a project and files. Observe this clearly. Colors. I said to you colors, color codings there. That means when I specify a particular color name, automatically that color will be displayed on that on the top of it. So that is because of these pigments. And the next one is like which one? Core packages. Which packages are by default here we are able to get here. So about or active view and might be auto complete Atom API. Like this, all these things here we are able to get here. These are by default packages. By default, when we install this Atom, automatically these packages we are able to get. But explicitly aligned with the predefined packages, no, whatever the packages we required explicitly, all these packages list have given. All these packages here we installed clearly. Yes, guys, all of you are following or not? What exactly the things here I'm telling to you clearly now, right? So this is the utilization of like which one here, no, Atom and its required packages and its required content exactly. Now we can identify this. Yes. Or if you're getting clarity on these points, guys, then no response for it. Right, sir. Once if we completed these settings, no, then what next one here we were able to do there. So directly, this is a time to discuss about like which one here, no, HTML code and HTML code. This is now this is a time to go for like which one HTML. And I prepared on all these steps regarding this Atom in a document. I'll show the document, guys. Then where I'm able to share the total document. Anyway, just I'm preparing parallel. I'm preparing a document along with your post there. Then time to time, I will share the document to you. Maybe just within tomorrow I'll prepare that channel there where I'm able to show this content. Okay, guys, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. All of you get my voice on screen. Right, sir. Right, and so let's cover a few points about this HTML. No, guys, I'm asking one question to all of you. From where we are able to get this HTML and what is the home for HTML? Few details. I think all of you might be aware about it. Who has provided HTML to us? HTML directly. I'm going to introduce this HTML today. Who has provided this HTML? Come on, guys. All of you might be aware about this, and those who already attended that UI technologies, you might be aware about it. Now, try to give clarity on it. Who has provided this HTML? Which company has provided this HTML? Initially, which company has provided this HTML? Actually, this HTML initially provided by two companies. Two companies. What are the two companies? Now tell me now. W3C. W3C. What is this W3C? Now tell me, guys. All of you now tell me. What is this W3C? No, HTML was not provided by IBM. Please remember this. All right, sir. Come on, guys. All right. What is this W3C? Actually, it's like which one here? World Wide Web Consortium. All right, sir. World Wide Consortium. So this is the meaning of like which one? World Wide Consortium, W3C. This is one company, and other company is also participated in the initial mode. That is like which one here? Yes, it's a name. Right, sir. What bug? And this is the name here. Then what is this abbreviation actually? That abbreviation is like which one here? Web hypertext. Web hypertext application. Web hypertext application technology. Technologies. I think so. Technology or technologies. I'm not sure about it. Technology working group. Right. So this is another one. Initially, strictly speaking, initially that HTML is proposed by this organization. What work? So web hypertext Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. So this is initially initiation for this HTML was taken by which one? This group. What is this group actually? This working group? No, this working group might be a group of people from different companies. They formed different companies might be they formed as a group initially might be they proposed this particular like which one can know HTML technology. Then after that, then W3C is also be participated. Now what happened there? After a few years of time, this Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group left from this W3C. Now this HTML is managed by only which company they know? W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. Only it is maintaining now HTML at present. Right, sir. Good. Who is the author for it? Who is the author for this HTML? Author for HTML. Now tell me, sir, who is that author for HTML? Can you know? Already given information there. Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Actually, this is might be Hanner. Now this is like which one? You know, actually Tim Berners-Lee. But in general, we used to say Sir Tim Berners-Lee. That's it. This is the full name of the respective author for this HTML. Is the responsible person for this one. Next one is already said you, which is managed by which one they know? W3C at present here. At present managed by. Who is provided? Managed by at present where this HTML maintenance is going on there. Now that is available with which one you know? W3C. Observe this clearly now. Next one is what is the objective to prepare this? What is the objective? What is the intention of preparing this one? Its main intention is like which one here? To prepare web application development, to provide good environment for to prepare web applications. To prepare web applications. That's it. This is the main objective of like which one? No, this particular one. Understand my point now. So what was the latest versions of? Observe this clearly. Initial version is like which one? You know, initial version is like which one there? And HTML 1.0, I think so, in the November month 1991. This is HTML initial version, first version officially. First version was released. Initial version is HTML 1.0 November 1991. Observe this clearly. Then what is that latest version actually? The latest version like which one here? HTML 5.0. 5.x. Some versions are available, some versions they're available might be. And some might be in the, I think so 2 to 3 years back might be it was released there, but exact year I'm not aware. I will check it anyway. Just one time if you check in Google, we are able to get it, but years and all. But at present here we are able to get like which one, and the latest version is like which one? HTML 5.x, I think so. Some sub versions are going on there on this HTML5. Right, sir. Now language type is like which one here? What is that language type? If you have to there, this is like which one? You know, markup language. Where markup language where tags are used instead of programming syntaxes now, right, sir? So if you want to get much information about which one there, HTML and all, for the sake of this, which websites are preferable for us? Which websites are preferable for us? Now, if you observe this clearly, even in our web application development also, when I require some resources there, I used to refer. I'll go for like which one? Some resources. What are the various resources? You know, then frequently I will go for like which one here? W3 schools. Right, sir. Now schools.com. This is one thing. Then other thing is like which one here? Just I will go for one more thing frequently. This is like which one here? And guys, already is available. Google MDN developers dot mozilla.org. Right, so this I want to provide. This I want to use frequently. This website I want to use frequently. Why? Because here I'm able to get the total information about this HTML tags and everything. So whenever I require to refer something else officially, this I want to go for this one also. Just simply I will go for like which one? You know, developers.mozilla, mozilla.org. So this is one thing that we are able to get clearly. Now this is the detail here we are able to provide, and w3schools.com, developers.mozilla.org. This is one point, sir. So these are the various details here we can understand it now. And one more thing I forgot to say about this, like which one here, about the setups now. One more setup here I required, sir. One more setup I required. What about this setup I required here actually? Here I want to open it. All right, sir. Google, I will open it. Now, okay. Observe, all of you observe this clearly. Already I installed this one. Pesticide. Pesticide here I required this just for the sake of like which one? Identifying which component is available and which component is having some and spaces. No, just to identify this pesticide. Here we require that. This also be a tool. All right, sir. Now, pesticide for Chrome. Just click on it. All right, sir. Pesticide from Chrome. Just so we can click on it. Open it. Now here we are able to get added to Chrome option is we are able to get added to Chrome option here we are able to get just click on this. Whenever we are click on this automatically here we are able to promote we are able to get like which one that pesticide support. Here already I included that pesticide support but here that's why I'm getting like which one remove from Chrome that we are getting there but here we are able to get added to Chrome option we are able to get just try to select this added to Chrome option here. Click on this added to Chrome option here. Developers tools. Definitely all these things are which one developers tools. We require this developers tools there anyway. So added to Chrome, we are able to get just click on it. So we can go for like this one. Here we are able to search for these pesticides and all. All these are developers tools are available. Number of developers tools are available. Just we will go for like which one here. As per our requirement, all these developers tools. Which we require that we can check there and we can use it anyway. But we require like which one pesticide. What is the advantage of this pesticides actually? Just click on this pesticides. Here what happened? All the components are selected in the form of individual boxes. So now then whenever we are in the development, this I can select this is a box, this is a box, this is a box like this. I can say something else here. So for the sake of this here, we are able to use like which one? No, pesticide. Again, if you click on this one, automated is coming into the which one? Normal. Right, sir. I said just I want to go for like which one here. Each and every see for example in some situation our web pages now in our web pages some components may be hidden components are available but I want to check it which component is given and where it is available. So there if I done this peticize now there I'm able to see that hidden component. So for example in some situations I'm able to provide div for example without having any size just it is a straight line exactly. Then I want to identify where is the div is available and where it is located in our web page. So for the purpose we have to go for like which one peticize that tool also we have to install clearly. Guys, all of you are following these points what exactly the points I said right sir. All these things if we do today. Right, sir. Anyway, then these videos might be at the starting mode. All these videos are might be uploaded in our YouTube channel, Durgasoft YouTube channel. Try to check it and try to see that video. Try to check point by point, and try to pass that video and try to do all these things. And finally, we can go for like which one all these setups here. One time, if we complete it, we will not check back again and again. Directly, we are going to put more concentration on like which one application development only. Understand it clearly now, right, sir? That's fine. So this is what exactly the setups what we required here. The setups what we completed a little bit HTML already I started this interactive part now. Then tomorrow I want to go for like which one here HTML features. What are the various HTML features? That means and a few points about this HTML I want to discuss that. Then after that tomorrow I will start directly discussion on this HTML tags and all. Yes, tomorrow we are having class, guys. Tomorrow is a Friday, right? Tomorrow is a Friday or Saturday? Tomorrow is a Friday or Saturday? I think so. Friday, right? Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Tomorrow is Saturday and no issues. Then check your possibility. If all of you wants to come, then I will take. Otherwise, all of you wants to have gap, then I will give gap. And can I start our next class on Monday? Yeah, definitely. Can I start next class on Monday? Right, sir. I want to take class for my Python people. So they are not having classes 2 days onwards. Yeah, I will put class for Python. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's fine. Yeah. The next class is on Monday. Next class on Monday. I think so, guys. Monday link. This link will not be open. New link will open. Then our admin people today night or tomorrow they will send this new link details to the registered members. Just we can check for it. Those who are registered for it. And today 4 o'clock class is available. I will take this now within 5 minutes. Right, sir. Right, sir. Yeah, hybrid class I will take today evening. Yeah, yesterday just I went for some conference actually. That's okay. Leave it. All right, yes. Now this is the total the content here I am providing there. Yeah, hybrid class is there today. I will take it now. Next class for Django. That means this UI technologies on Monday. I will take this next class. And next class we are going to talk much about like which one they know that HTML content mode. Right, sir. So next class is on Monday, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, today Python class is available. I will take that. Yeah. Sir, and this yeah, yesterday class is not available. Yeah, definitely. Link will be changed, sir. On Monday, this link is not going to be open. New link will be open. Or admin people will give new link details maybe today or tomorrow. Right, for the registered members, they will give that link information there. Also this. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And if you have any money related issues, just we can talk with our admin people. They will give more clarity on it. Fayaz Bash, just talk with our admin people. They will request. They will consider your request. But then try to talk regarding these money related things and to the admin people. This is totally far away from me. So just I'm related to technology. We can talk about this technology. Just one time talk with them and request them. Definitely they will consider your request. Right. Thank you. Thanks a lot.